Back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to configure environment variables for your native Android application. Now first of all, you should not store any kind of sensitive API key inside your Android application, even though you might be 100% sure that it might be impossible for anyone to reverse engineer my app. So no app in this world is impossible to reverse engineer. Any app can be reverse engineered. That's why it is not advisable to store any kind of a sensitive data even in your environment variables. It is better to store those API keys on the server side. But yeah, so this tutorial is only about saving some kind of other data which is not sensitive inside your environment variable and might differ depending on user to user. So let's get started. So I have created an Android application. Next, what you have to do is you have to go to build.gradle.kts, and inside build types here you have to add this debug block, and you might already have this release block. So inside debug block, so suppose I want an API, I want to store a key name as API key. So here you can add your key name and this will be your value. If it is a string value, make sure you add it inside escaping kind of a syntax, otherwise you will face issue. So if it is a string value, just add escaping syntax followed by the whatever is your value, and if it is a boolean, just specify the type, the key name and the value. So this is for when this will work if your app is in debug mode. For release mode, you will again have to add something like this. Just change the value to whatever you want for release mode. Then once you do that, just sync your project and make sure you click on build icon as well. Okay, if you don't, then you might face some issue, like over here it might not recognize your API key and debug key. So as usual, I have just taken this API key and debug key from our build config. So once you build the project, it automatically recognizes the key which you have added, and I have taken those inside a variable, and here I'm just displaying it inside a text view. So that's how simple it is. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.